Welcome back to PoolCenter.com. This video shows you how to use the Texas Recreation Vinyl Repair and Sealant Adhesive by Supersoft. It repairs floats and chairs and anything that's made of this dense foam that's covered with a rubbery surface. It'll repair cracks or chips, and we're going to show you how to use this real simple to use Texas Recreation Pool Float Repair Kit. Now the bottle contains the color, and you buy the color that you need. They're available in 8 different colors on PoolCenter.com. And we're going to use it on this pool float chair, which is item 6570126 by Texas Rec. And we have a little gouge there that somebody peeled out. And we're going to repair that real quickly. Also common on pool float chairs are splits where the creases are. So with our bottle here, we'll get right down onto the area and just fill it in real easily. Then, as the directions say, you wet your fingertips and get a little water on there to smooth it out. Smooth out the edges. Almost can't even tell it was there. It's going to take 72 hours to dry fully. Now on the split, we do the same thing. Just get the tube right in there, and it's going to not only fill in the patch and make it invisible, we get it right in there, and it's going to fill in the patch, make it invisible, and also seal it as an adhesive and prevent that crack from growing. Just a little water to smooth out the edges. And now we'll let the chair rest for 2 days and come back and check on it later.